Hi everyone, I'm Kate Dunbar, the Campground Gourmet for Rolling on TV. Today I'm here camping in my beautiful Airstream, and I thought that I would show you a few little things that I keep in the drawer to make our camping time just easier and simpler and working better, where I'm not fumbling over things or trying to find things. So let's get right to it. The first thing that I always carry in this coach is an oven thermometer. Believe it or not, there's a lot of you who aren't using one of these whenever you use your RV's oven, and you need to. The temperature is insanely erratic in it. Sometimes the bottom will be hotter than the top, or the top will be hotter than the bottom, the front and the back. If you have an oven thermometer in there, you will know the exact temperature that your oven is, so you can plan on how long it's going to take to cook your meal. This also works great in outdoor camp ovens like I've got, and I wouldn't leave home without this. It's important, so make certain that you throw in an oven thermometer the next time you go camping. Now, the next time that you go camping and you're going to do some Dutch oven cooking, don't forget your Dutch oven liners. I would be lost without these. These are fantastic parchment papers. Lodge puts this one out. You can order it online from them. And what they are parchment circles. They come really large. This will fit the 14-inch that they have. See, there's a whole pack of 8 of these in here, and it's great. Look at how large this is. All you do is open it up, stick it inside your Dutch oven. You can bake your cobblers, your pies. You can even do roasts in here and things. This is going to help with cleanup. So the parchment liners for your Dutch oven, this is a good thing to have. The next little tool that I always have is something that is essential when you are outside and your food is all finished and you're getting ready to serve, and that is a food net. This is an inexpensive item that you can find online, and the great thing is all you have to do is pull this up, and look at that. It's a net. Imagine this is your platter of food. This fits right over it. You won't have mosquitoes, you won't have flies, you won't have any bugs. It's really easy just to lift up a corner, grab something right out of there. They fold up perfectly. They just pop right down. That'll fit right inside my RV drawer. So, a food net. These are awesome. The next thing, at the end of the night, whenever I'm finished with cleaning down the dishes, getting all the food put away, sometimes I like to have a cup of coffee, but I do not want to break out the full coffee maker and get everything going in that. What I do use is a pour over. This is a simple device that just fits right on top of your coffee mug. You place the coffee grounds inside here, you put the lid on, you fill it with hot water, and the water just drips down and percolates right through the coffee grounds into your coffee cup. So you have a single cup of coffee. You don't have to have any waste, and it's perfect. It takes maybe 5 minutes at the most. So pour over coffee, this is a great tool to have. And going next with that pour over coffee maker, this is a milk frother. It looks like a tiny little whisk, and it is. It vibrates back and forth. If you have a little pitcher or maybe a measuring cup, you can warm some milk if you want. You don't have to. And all you do is you put this in, press the button, just like that, and this vibrates, and it'll froth your milk for you, so you can have a cafe-style coffee when you are at the campground. The last item is something that I think you should have in your refrigerator if you cook with fresh herbs and you want to know an easy way to transport it from the grocery store into your trailer out to the campground. And this is called an herb saver. All you do is you wash your herbs when you get home from the grocery store and dry them off. Put a little bit of water in the bottom of this, and in this insert is where all your fresh herbs stay. It fits perfect. It's streamlined, so it fits right into your refrigerator door, and your herbs stay fresher longer. They're not getting crushed by all the food and all the vibration going down the road. This lid seals really well. You could even put this in your ice chest. So those are just a few of the tools that I like to use and I like to have here in my coach with me and my family whenever we go camping, and I hope you like them too. That pour over coffee is calling to me, so I'm going to go make a cup. I'm Kate Dunbar, the Campground Gourmet for Rolling on TV. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.